Check this out. Just look at that. One side is treated, one side is not. The sticky mud just slides right off. That's because this side is treated with a brand new nano ceramic liquid crystal serum.
The Royal Kensington Nano Ceramic Car Detailing and Paint Protection Kit. Inspired by the Palace Detailers for the royal fleet of luxury vehicles to give your car the same royal treatment and keep it safe, secure and well protected like the monarchy themselves. The science lies in the special nano ceramic formula, a proprietary blend of silicon dioxide and titanium dioxide that gets deep into your car's paint, creating a covalent fusion. This makes your car's paint harder, better, stronger, creating a hydrophobic layer that repels dirt, dust, even this sticky mud. Plus, it protects from minor scratches, spray paint, acid rain, even extreme heat. It also gets rid of years of baked-on grime, making dead paint come back to life with a beautiful luster and shine, just like it had when it was brand new. 3 easy steps for up to 3 years protection and shine. Step 1. Use the pre-treatment deep cleansing car wash. This is no ordinary car wash. It's a specially formulated pH 9 alkaline solution that removes deeply ingrained muck and grease and old wax and lipids deep in your car's paint. Next, step 2. The Royal Kensington Scratch and Swirl Remover smooths out rough edges, minimizing imperfections, bringing paint back to its optimal color. Then, step 3. The Nano Ceramic Liquid Crystal Serum restores your car's paint, bringing it back to life. It puts a protective layer that completely safeguards the surface, turning it hydrophobic, repelling liquid, chemicals, and harmful elements. Plus, it removes imperfections to give it a mirror-like shine. Similar products can cost an absolute fortune. Don't waste your money, because today we have a very special offer. Order right now and we'll give you a 50% discount. Yes, you heard right, it's yours at half our regular price. But wait, there's more. Order now and you'll get all this for free. You get the Royal Kensington 2-in-1 hydrophobic rain repellent and windshield cleaner for clearer, safer vision even in the most torrential rain. Yours free. Plus, get the headlight restorer that removes years of caked-on grime for brighter, sharper lights. Yours free. The wheel cleaner makes wheels and mags pop for a shiny, sleeker look. Yours free. The wet look black tire shine makes old tires look brand new again. Also yours free. The interior car cleaner removes stains from upholstery and carpets, restores dashboards, leather, vinyl, plastic, and more. Yours free. The new car smell fragrance eliminates and deodorizes odors and makes old cars smell brand new. Yours free. Plus, we'll even give you the Royal Kensington Soft Wash Mitt, Super Absorbent Chamois, Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, and the Round Applicator Sponge as our special gift just for ordering. Altogether, that's 10,000 pesos worth of value that you'll receive absolutely free. And there's still more. You'll also get the Royal Kensington 2-in-1 Wet and Dry Turbo Power Car Vac. It plugs into your car for super quick cleanups, even on the go, wet or dry. Plus, the included nozzle attachment reaches deep between seats and hard-to-reach areas. It's a 5,000 peso value, yours absolutely free. And there's still more. If you order in the next 20 minutes, we'll send it by express delivery for free. Anywhere in the country, but you must order now. Plus, try it for 30 days, and if you're not completely satisfied, return it for a full refund. No questions asked. Now, you've got nothing to lose. It's 100% risk-free. This is a limited time offer, and it's only available while stocks last. You get it all. Everything you see here, all for a special low discounted price. So don't wait, don't delay, don't miss out. Order now by sending us a comment or message us right here to live chat for our discounted price, or visit our website, or simply call the number below. Payment is super easy. You choose cash on delivery, credit card, mobile payment. But hurry, this is a limited time offer and is not available in any store anywhere, so you must order right now. So don't delay, chat message with us or just call right now.